Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my September Allure box. I did receive this a few days ago or so, and so I wanted to get this filmed. Last month I did not get one up. I did receive the box, I filmed it, and I completely forgot about it, and by the time I realized it was already part way into the month, and so into September, and so I figured, you know what, just forget it. So I did not put one up. I'll go ahead and get this one filmed for you guys, just in case you're interested in seeing what I got. So let's go ahead and get the pamphlet ready to look at, and we'll just pull as we go along. Okay, so the first thing that I see is the Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I'm assuming this is a full size. It retails for $24, and that is what it looks like right there. It says you can get it at Sephora.com. It says that this darkens, thickens, lengthens, and holds curl. So I am almost done. That is what the wand looks like. I'm almost done with the one I'm working on now. So I may pull this and use that. So that's nice. Everything that I've tried so far from Wander Beauty, I have enjoyed and really do like. So I'm excited to give that a try. Next item is the La Roche-Posay at the Leos 50 Ultra Light Sunscreen Fluid. This is in a 0.17 fluid ounce, so very, very tiny sample right there. Probably enough to use a few times. Yeah, there's hardly nothing in there, but a nice way to give it a try. So full size, this retails for $33.50. You can get it on their website, and it just says here that it's a non-greasy sunscreen that makes the skin feel soft and smoother when you put it on. And it says here that it's a mineral formula with zinc and titanium dioxide. Everybody could use sunscreen, so that's always nice to have. Okay, the next thing I see, which I'm excited about, is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is in a 0.7 fluid ounce. That is what the packaging looks like right there. And that is what the product looks like. So it's like, it reminds me of the consistency, oh, that smells really nice, of the Clinique. It says here that this retails full size for $64 on elemis.com. And it says it's a makeup remover, that you don't have to do any scrubbing. It's a cleansing balm that starts to warm with hydrating algae and shea butter formula and becomes an oil. You gently massage it over your face, and it transforms into a cleanser that can be seen melting makeup away and simply rinse with water, or you can wipe it off with a damp sponge. So that's really exciting. I'm always excited to get these. Very excited about that. The next item that I see is you either would get a NYX brush or a e.l.f. brush. And they had an e.l.f. highlighting brush or a NYX brush. I got the NYX brush. It's the Pro Contour brush. And that is what it looks like. Very nice. Very soft. This retails for $14 at nyxcosmetics.com. It just says that it is a chiseled tapered sides to deposit the product onto your cheekbones, the sides of your nose, and your temples, while the flat top gives you enough surface to buff and blend out pigment. So that is really nice. I probably will use this either for contouring, like, or up in here, or even here, or highlighting. So yeah, that is a it's really soft. I have several brushes from NYX that I got in this subscription, and I do really like them. So that is a very nice brush. Excited to have that, and glad I didn't get the e.l.f. one, because I already have the e.l.f. one and it's okay. All right, so the next item that I see is the Cleo Noir Twist Up Eyeliner. This is in, does it have a color? Does not. It retails full size for $18. Oh, it's in purple, excuse me. I don't think it's a full size, but it may be a full size. Right there is the color. And I think I might pass this along because I do have a purple liner already. And I don't use liners as much, so I'm not going to swatch that, but it's very, very pretty. Very beautiful tip, pointed tip. Like I said, it retails for $18 full size. And it just says here, it has a buttery smooth formula with a beautiful violet tone. And I do know that purples on the waterline is really pretty and just really accentuates eyes. So I'm going to be putting this aside for a giveaway, but it is very, very pretty. Okay, the next thing that you could have gotten was a sheet mask. It could either be this one that I got, which is Soothing Aloe Sheet Mask by Glam Up, or you would get the Revitalizing Sake, and I got this one. And this one retails for $14.20, but you get 10 of them. So that's not bad. And then the other one retails for $9.98, and you get 10 of them as well. So it just says here that it has natural aloe extract, soothes dry skin, and provides intense hydration. I could always use that. And so yeah, that is what it looks like. And I'm getting out of the fear of sheet masks. I wouldn't say fear, but kind of like not liking them. I have tried one so far and I survived it, so I may survive another one. So I'm excited about that. And then the last thing that came in the box is this waterless dry conditioner, instant moisture, conditions dry hair to control frizz. The conditioning level is a 3 on this one, and that is what it looks like. So you either could have got this or you could have got the dry shampoo. So I got this one, which is fine. So yeah, definitely love to use these and have these. It doesn't tell me the retail value or anything because I think this was just an extra that they added into the box, but nice to have. So this box retails for $15 a month. With tax, it's about $16.35 or so. I do enjoy this box. This is one of my favorites. I am considering, though, canceling at the beginning of the year just because they have been giving a lot of skincare. And not that I don't like it. It's great, great skincare, but I have so much skincare at the moment. And it's just, you cannot use up enough skincare. And I have given away skincare and all of that. So I'm thinking that I might, I'm most likely going to be canceling when the new year comes around. Because I have the next 3 months left. But after that, I'm probably going to be canceling just because of that reason and because I have just too much in my collection at the moment. But it is one of my absolute favorite subscriptions. I do recommend it and definitely do enjoy it. So that is everything that I got for my September box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you get this box, let me know down in the comments something that you got different than I got. Let me know that down in the comments as well. I'd love to check out your video and see what you got. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you would like to subscribe and hang out with me, I would love you to hit that subscribe button. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.